Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these new Easter eggs that I found at the Disney store. They're mystery figurines. They are shaped in these adorable Mickey Mouse shaped eggs with little feet and Mickey ears. They are so super cute. I wasn't expecting something this great. It was 10 bucks. They're $9.99 and I'm like, okay, what could be in here? Well, get ready for this. To begin though, I did not see any markings to distinguish what is what, so I'm not sure if there's any codes. If there are any, I'm sorry, I missed them. I looked all over, I couldn't find them. Inside we have this really cool foil mystery bag with Mickey Mouse hands, his pants, and his yellow shoes. When you open it up, inside is a really neat surprise. Not only do you get this adorable figurine, but you get a bunch of cool confetti. However, I'm not talking about the confetti, I'm talking about these figurines. These figurines are pretty awesome. They are one-piece figurines, but they are really nice quality. They have really distinct features where you know that it's like an Easter theme because we have Mickey wearing these pale or lavender shorts. Now I'm gonna open up the next one, and oh my gosh, I'm equally stunned and super happy. Again, no markings to distinguish anything, just that it's $9.99. I could not find any codes. Again, we have this adorable blind bag, and since it's a mystery surprise, we do not know what we're getting. So you can get duplicates a lot here, but thankfully I did not get duplicates in this video. Oh, who do we get? And it's Donald Duck, and he's so stinking cute. And take a look at his outfit. You can tell that it's significantly lighter than it normally is. So right there, I'm super happy. And plus his little expression with the winking eye, he's just so stinking cute. Now, to sum up here, you can get 5 figures. You can get the Fab 5, the original ones, Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, and Pluto. There's no Daisy. So sorry about that. Now let's open up the last one. Now unboxing it, I'm like a pro now, so I can just get all of this cool confetti out, and let's see who we got. Dun, 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 dun. And it's Minnie Mouse. She looks so stinking cute. I love her pose. Her bow is perfect. I love the yellow shoes and this polka dot dress. So stinking cute. I am so happy with these purchases. I did not think they would be this great. So head over to Disney Store now, or just go to ShopDisney.com and get yourself these figures. They are so cute. Again, if you have any information on codes, let me know, because I need to get Goofy and I gotta get Pluto. Alright guys, hope you have a happy Easter if you celebrate, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, especially if you're a Disney fan, because we are. Have a great day.